Have you ever touched a piece of metal and a piece of wood in the same room and noticed that the metal feels much colder, even though both objects are at room temperature? It's a strange phenomenon, and it seems like metal has some kind of chilling power. But why does metal feel colder than wood? Today, let's explore the science behind this sensation and find out what's really going on. First, it's important to understand that temperature is the measure of how much heat energy an object has, but it doesn't always dictate how hot or cold something feels to us. The sensation of coldness or warmth is affected not just by temperature, but also by thermal conductivity, a material's ability to conduct heat. Metal is a great conductor of heat, which means it can transfer heat quickly. When you touch a piece of metal, heat moves rapidly from your warm skin to the colder metal. Since metal transfers this heat away from your skin so efficiently, it creates a sensation of coldness, even though the metal itself is at room temperature. On the other hand, wood is a poor conductor of heat. It's actually an insulator. When you touch wood, it doesn't draw heat away from your skin as quickly as metal does. Because heat isn't being transferred out of your skin as rapidly, wood feels warmer, even though it's at the same temperature as the metal. So, it's not that metal is colder, it's just taking the heat from your skin faster, making it feel colder. Another interesting aspect of this phenomenon is how it affects our perception of comfort in everyday life. Have you ever walked barefoot on a metal surface and noticed how cold it feels compared to wood or carpet? That's because materials with low thermal conductivity, like wood and carpet, help retain the heat close to your skin, while metal whisks it away, making it feel uncomfortably cold. Thermal conductivity is also why cooking pots and pans are usually made of metal. Metals like aluminum, copper, and stainless steel conduct heat quickly, allowing food to cook evenly. But have you noticed that most metal pots and pans also have handles made of plastic, rubber, or wood? That's because these materials don't conduct heat well, so the handles stay cool, allowing you to safely lift the pot without burning your hand. This difference in heat conduction is also why some materials feel hotter than others when it's warm outside. Imagine being at the beach on a hot day. Sand and rocks can feel scorching to the touch, while wood or plastic surfaces might feel warm but not unbearably hot. Materials that conduct heat quickly, like sand, will absorb heat from the sun and transfer it rapidly to your skin, creating an intense feeling of warmth. Here's a fun fact: this principle of thermal conductivity is why people use metal or stone tools to make ice cream on a hot surface. Metal or stone surfaces help to quickly absorb and disperse heat from the ice cream mixture, making it freeze faster. This process is the basis of rolled ice cream, where a thin layer of ice cream mixture is spread on a cold metal surface, rolled, and served in an instant. To sum it up, metal feels colder than wood because it conducts heat much more effectively. When you touch metal, it rapidly draws heat away from your skin, creating a feeling of coldness. Wood, as an insulator, doesn't conduct heat as quickly, so it feels warmer by comparison, even though both materials are at the same temperature. So, the next time you touch something metal and notice the chill, you'll know it's not the metal being colder, but rather your heat slipping away. If you enjoyed learning about this, hit that subscribe button for more science explainers. And let us know in the comments, have you ever been surprised by how hot or cold something felt, and wondered why?